Gwen, do you have hiccups again? Do you have hiccups, Mama? You got another? There you go. There you go. They'll go soon, I promise.